Join us, MrTruck.com, for truck reviews, trailer reviews, and accessory reviews. It's Kent with MrTruck.com with the NATDA, the 2021 one in Nashville, Tennessee. I'm here talking to Neil, and you're with
Davis Village Solutions.
Davis Village Solutions, and they got this incredible trailer. I don't even know what all it does. It looks like it's got a canvas, it rolls stuff out, it moves up and down anyway. It looks like an all-around trailer for cool stuff. So we're gonna have a demonstration of how it works. So come join us, because there's gonna be a lot of parts. You don't wanna miss out. Okay, Neil, this looks a little more complicated than a good old country boy like me to figure out, so you're gonna have to tell me what it does.
Sure. So we have a tilt function on this, which allows the trailer to tilt down to the ground level to load equipment such as skid steers or mini excavators into the bed. And we do that kind of a unique way. We use a hydraulic cylinder that'll manipulate the tongue. This is a cylinder stop, which sets the ride height for going down the road.
Okay.
Right now we're not in that position, but we pivot off of this back right here. This is our pivot point, which allows the trailer to kneel down or raise up in the air.
Oh, that's cool. So the trailer tilts, not just the bed.
Correct.
That's awesome. And then you got a whole NASA control panel going on there.
Yeah, so this trailer has a conveyor system in it. It's not your traditional dump trailer. It conveys material out. And we control that on board using these switches. You can start and stop the engine, put the bed in and out, and raise and lower it.
Well, it's cool. So it does have a Honda engine.
Yeah.
Gas engine.
We also have a handheld remote control that does the same functions as our onboard controls. You can start and stop the engine, tilt it up and down, and put the bed in and out. We also have some auxiliary functions as well.
Wow, and then it's got a tarp for it when it's all loaded.
Don't go away, MrTruck.tv. We'll be right back.
Yep.
And then it's live floor. It's like a conveyor. And I guess this bulkhead here, this all moves forward, huh?
Yep, it'll all move with the load.
Wow.
And we use a chain, traditional chain, to drive it. The reason we do that is it holds up very well in salt and ice and any kind of inclement weather. It performs really well.
Well, I see the chain where to pull it back, but how does it push it out the other end?
So essentially we've made a circle. The chain connects to one end of the conveyor belt and the other end.
Oh,
so we drive,
underneath. It goes underneath.
Exactly.
Okay.
So we
like
drive on that chain.
Yeah. Okay.
And that gives us equal pushing force as well as pulling force.
Yeah, that makes sense. Got some heavy duty, those 8-bolt?
Yeah, they're 7,000-pound Dexter axles.
Wow, you got stake pockets, you got barn door. Is that a one-way gate or is that a several-way gate?
It just opens up.
Okay, it's a barn door. Okay, cool.
Yeah, we have a D-ring. If you want to pull in equipment or logs or anything that's not motorized, you can throw a chain on that and actually drag it up into the trailer.
Oh, it's like having a winch on board.
Yes, sir.
I like that, yeah.
This is our integrated toolbox.
Okay.
You can store chains, straps, anything in here, and then you have your chain binders will fit inside of there.
That's good. I always like to organize my chains. They're a pain in the butt otherwise, and so are straps.
So the rubber floor is a very rugged material. You can drive equipment right on it. Mini excavators, skid steers, dingoes, four-wheelers, whatever you... We've had people haul cars, tractors, you name it on it.
So this floor will go all the way to the ground?
Yes, sir.
No ramps are needed. Oh, that's nice. I like that idea. What are those plastic plugs in the sidewall?
So they're chain tie downs for equipment.
Oh, you pop them off and the hook's back there.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. If you're hauling bulk material, we don't want material to get stuck in there and bind.
Sure.
So.
Well, that would be so awesome. So the conveyor runs with that bulkhead wall up front. They work
Yes,
together.
sir. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, some of the advantages of this, you can haul dimensional, our bed length is 16'4", so you can haul a bunk of dimensional 16-foot lumber right in there.
Good.
All you do is you run the headboard to the back, you set it on there, and it'll pull it up inside. You can haul multiple materials, whether you got stone and sand or a pallet of bricks for paving or and a load of sand, and it doesn't care, it'll just convey it out.
That's good. And you got a small one next to you that just does kind of the same things. And small one.
Yeah, that's a real simplified version designed to be run with a 1500 F-150 type truck.
Yeah.
5,000 pound capacity. This has a 10,000 pound capacity. The trailer weighs 4,600 pounds.
So GVW is 14 or a little more. Okay. Cool. Oh, I like this setup. I mean, it's new. It's cool. I've never seen anything like it. I like the stake pockets, and you even got a little rail for hooking your tie downs too.
Yep.
This is good. Wow. Ants Advanced Nimble Trailer System.
Yes, sir.
Wow. Awesome. So, if people want to get a hold of you and figure out the price, what's your phone number?
Our corporate office, you can dial 906-353-5151 is our manufacturing facility.
Okay.
That's in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan.
What's your website?
www.davisvillagesolutions.com.
Awesome. Well, thanks, Neil. Hope you had a good show.
Yeah, thank you.
Ken with Mr. Truck here with a really exciting trailer accessory. You know, trailer tires is a big deal. You got problems, especially 100-degree weather like we're having this year. You know, you're gonna blow tires, and the tires are gonna blow, take out your fender, take out your clearance lights, and then you're gonna sit there on the side of the road fixing your tire while your horses get hot. Sun coming down 100 degrees, no doors open and no fan. It's horrible. And I see it happen all the time, and so I go to Higher Ply Tires and I go to Tucson Tire Pressure Monitoring System. They got so many options. You can go with bands on the Alcoa wheels, that's such a small hole. You can go with the tire pressure monitoring where you have a valve stem and the relay below it, the transmitter. And then you can do the same transmitter on a band. And now the new one, I call them Spaceballs, but they're actually tire pressure monitoring from Tucson ball sensors, like a ping pong ball. Rubber coated, and you put this in your tire. You crack open the bead, throw it in there, and it bounces around, goes right for a little while, and then once you get up to speed, it just sticks to wherever it's at. You know ahead of time what's going on. This gives you special alerts. Before, if the tire pressure is too high, it goes off, beeps and flashes. Too low, it beeps and flashes. Same way with heat. And this will save you a lot of money. You know, the price of a tire will pay for one of these puppies. And why would you not want to know what's going on with your trailer tires?